You can use Metis Query Analyzer to get performance insights for any query of your choice. To do that, from the main project page, click Query Analyzer button, and you get to a screen that asks you to provide two things. First is the query statement, and the second is the execution plan that you extract from your database. You can use whatever tool of your choice to do that. In my case, I'm using DB Visualizer. So what I have here is I have a sample query that reads some data with select and from joins various tables, and I prepend this query with explain keyword. Explain instructs the database to return you the execution plan of the query. This will work with Postgres, with other databases as well. Consult the documentation to analyze various options like verbose, buffers, or format JSON. So what I'm doing now is I'm executing this query, and you can see that it returned me the JSON execution plan. So I copy this execution plan, go back to Metis, and paste this plan in this JSON field here on the right. And I also copy the query statement that I'd like to test, and I paste it in this other box. Once I hit analyze, you can see that we get performance insights for the query. So Metis analyzed things and provided us with details of the query, which tables were accessed or how many rows were read. With this way, you can analyze any query of your choice and immediately get performance insights.